everyone, welcome to Vedic Maths class. In today's class, multiplication part 3, we will learn another interesting concept of multiplication, which is called by one less than the previous one. In Vedic Maths, we call it as Ekanyuena Purvena or multiplication by nines. Whenever you have to do the multiplication of any number like 2-digit or 3-digit or more than that with nines, what we normally do, we normally multiply it with 9 in our by our normal school method. Like here you can see I have done this multiplication with my traditional method which we learn in school also, but with Vedic maths this multiplication is very easy. So this is our traditional method. Now learn how to do it with our Vedic maths. Yes, but in Vedic maths we have different conditions. Like here you can see in 676 and 999 we have 3 digits here and 3 nines here. So first case we will study is when we have equal number of nines and the digits. So first case is when number of nines and the number of digits are same. When nines equal to the number of digits. Number of digits. Like in this example, you can see with 676, 3-digit number, we want to multiply it with 999, which is again a 3-digit number. So in this case, what we have to do, we have to apply the 2 basic steps here. Step number 1, you subtract 1 from the given number, that is 676 minus 1. So it will be 675. Okay, first step, what I have done, step number A is 676, whatever number is given to you, you subtract 1 from that number and write the answer, and this answer is our first part. Now you can see we have got the first part of our answer. Now step number 2 or step B says the 676, which is a given number, to subtract this number from 9, 9 and 10. Subtract this from 9, 9 and 10. Yes. So when you subtract this from 9, 9, 10, the answer will be 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 10 minus 6 is 4. You can see it here. Same answer we have got with this Vedic method, and this with long calculation also we got the answer, but that was very time consuming. So with these 2 easy steps, you can see it here, we have got the answer quickly here. So this is nothing here, this is 9, 9, 10. Okay, so when we have equal number of nines and equal number of digits, only 2 steps you need to apply. Subtract 1 from the given number and then subtract the given number from 9, 9 and 10. Let's take another example of equal nines and equal digits. Suppose you have 4 digits. Let's take 7, 8, 6, 5. 7, 8, 6, 5. You want to multiply it with 4 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it here. We have 4 digits and 4 nines here. So same step, subtract 1 from this number. So it will be 7, 8, 6, 4. And now you subtract this number from 9, 9, 9. And the last will be from 10. Yes, now the answer is 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 10 minus 5 is 5. So you can see it here, within few seconds, we have got this answer of long multiplication. Yes, so, but remember, this step we can apply only This concept we can apply when we have equal number of nines and equal number of digits. So it can be a 4 or 5 or 6, any number of digits can be there in the question. Okay, now let's take another case. Case number 2. Suppose you have more nines. So case 2 is, the second case is when we have number of nines greater than the number of digits, greater than number of digits. The concept will remain same, only one slight difference is there in this concept. So when you have number of nines greater than the number of digits, let's take one example here, a quick example. Suppose you have 7, 8, 3 and you want to multiply it with 1, 2, 3 and 4 nines. You can see it here. We have these 4 nines and we have a 3-digit number. So if this type of problem is there, what to do in this case? We have to put one extra 0 in the beginning of the number. Now it is 4 digits and this side also it's a 4-digit number of nines. So now after this, same steps we have to follow. 783 minus 1. 783 minus 1 is 782. This is the first part of your answer. And then after this, 999 and 10. Yes. So 9, 9, 9 and last number subtracted from 10. So the final answer is 782. Then it is 9, 2, 9 minus 8, 1 and 10 minus 3 is 7. So 7829217 is our answer. So only one extra step we have to do here, that we have to put one extra 0 in the beginning. Let's take one more example to clear this concept here. Suppose you have 6, 9, 8, 4. Now I have taken a 4-digit number and I want to multiply it with 5 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more 5. So step number 1, put 0 in the beginning. Now both are 5-digit numbers. Apply the same step. Now you can do it without doing the subtraction. 6, 9, 8, 3, just one number backwards, and then 9, 9, 9, 10. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 9 is 0, this 9 minus 8 is 1, and 10 minus 4 is 6. So this long calculation, you can see it here. We have got the answer in few seconds. So 698393016. Now let's take the next case. What to do when you have less number of nines. So third case is when number of nines less than the number of digits. Number of nines less than the number of digits. So in this case, we have to do something extra here. So let's make it clear with the help of example. Suppose you have a 3-digit number. Let's take 428 and you want to multiply it with 999. Okay, now you can see it here. We have 2 nines and we have 3 digits here. So in this case, what to do when you have less number of nines and digits are more? In that case, you count the number of nines. Now, how many nines in this? 2 nines here. So whatever number of nines you have, same number of zeros you put in the given number. Like 428, you put 2 zeros at the end of this number. So now the number is 428 and double 0. So step number 1 is put equal number of zeros at the end of the given number. Equal number of zeros means according to the number of nines at the end of the given number. If you have 3 nines, you will put 3 zeros. If you have 2 nines, you will put 2 zeros. If you have 4 nines, you will put 4 zeros. So I'm just making it clear here. So equal number of zeros means according to the number of nines. I'm just writing it here. Number of nines. So number of nines, you put equal number of zeros at the end of the given number. Now subtract this new number, or from this new number, you subtract now the actual number. Yes, the actual number was 428. Okay, so 42800, the new number which you have got it, from this number, you have to subtract 428. So it is little different from the other two cases, but it is not difficult. So now we have to do this subtraction, 42800 and 428 actual number. So subtract this now. So like we do the normal subtraction, it is 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 2, 7, 7 minus 4 is 3, then it is your 2, and then it is 4. So 4, 2, 3, 7, 2 is our final answer. Okay, so step number 1, put equal number of zeros at the end of the given number. Step number 2, subtract the given number from the new number. The given number from the new number. Okay, let's make it more clear with the help of other example. Now, suppose you have another example like this. Suppose you have the next one like 6, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have taken now a 4-digit number and I want to multiply it with 999. So it is looking little difficult, but it is not difficult with the help of Vedic maths. Now you can see it here, 3 nines, and how many digits here? 4 digits here. So according to the previous case, now what we need to do here, we will first put the zeros. So how many zeros here? Number of nines, 3. So 3 zeros, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now what to do? Subtract the given number from this number. So the given number is your 6, 3, 4, and 5. After this subtraction, you will get the required answer. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. Then 14 minus 6 is 8. Then it is 3 here, then it is 3 here, and it is 6. So 633, 655 is our required answer. So in this way, we can multiply any number with any number of nines. So what we discussed today? We discussed today first case, what to do when you have equal number of nines. For equal number of nines, then we discussed when number of nines greater than the number of digits. So if you have equal number of 9, subtract 1 from the given number and then subtract the given number from 9, 9 and 10. And if you have more nines than the digits, then you do the first step. First you put 0 in the left side and then you subtract the number from 1 and then you do 9, 9 and 10 according to the number of digits there. And third case, when you have nines less than the number of digits, this is totally different. First, you count the number of nines, and according to number of nines, you put zeros at the end of the number. And then the new number which you get, you subtract the given number from the new number. And that answer will be your product of the number with nines. So I hope you all have got this concept. If you have got this concept, you can easily do these questions here. Like if you want to multiply 7, 8, 3, 5 with 9, 9, 9, 9. You can very easily do, you can do it very easily because now you know the concept of equal lines and equal digits. Yes. And you can ask your friends also to give the answers, and you can amaze them by just doing the multiplication in your head, just mentally only. Yes, even if you use the calculator also, that also will take, there also you will take some time to enter the numbers and do the multiplication. But with this concept, you can do it quickly in your mind. So in this case, you have to apply which concept? The first one. If I take this case, 6, 3, 4, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nines. Then in this is a case of number 2, nines greater than the number of digits. So quickly find the answers now of these three questions. The third one is, if you want to multiply 3 to 6, 326 with double nine, this also you can easily do with the help of concept number 3. So with this, I'm just closing it here. Today we have discussed the multiplication by nines concept, and this is a very interesting concept of Vedic maths, but still there are many concepts to learn. So in the next class, we will discuss some other concepts. So keep doing Vedic maths and practice all the questions. Thank you.